In nature, your animal would certainly find everything it needed. Nutritious grasses and grains, a good selection of vegetables, fruits, herbs, and insects. A world full of healthy vitamins and minerals. You will no doubt want to give them the same kind of nutrition in your home. It's why Versele-Laga has developed a new generation of muesli. A full nutrition program full of varied textures. For your rabbit, guinea pig, chinchilla or degu, nature contains species-specific nutrition and crunchy fiber chunks to satisfy their gnawing instinct, as well as the best and tastiest vegetables. Timothy hay for a healthy intestinal flora, and is grain-free for easy digestion. For older animals or animals requiring extra care, nature offers fiber food products with extra fiber. Do you have a hamster, rat, mouse, gerbil or chipmunk? For them, nature has species-specific mixes full of fruit and vegetables. Mealworms for a natural source of protein and extra grains for healthy energy, as well as seeds and nuts to make their fur shine. An extensive choice of healthy snacks and several types of roughage completes the new Nature Nutrition program. Nature is food that comes from nature, straight from their fascinating world, so that you, with nature, can bring your animals home.